All right, here we are, Beaverton Auto Body and Paint. They got a pretty good overhang too. I've been here before when it was freezing, but today it's pretty nice. So let's head on in and find out what's going on. Let them know we're here. Hello.
Hey there.
I'm here to paint the window.
All right.
Okay.
We're excited for that.
What's that?
We're excited for that.
Yeah, December 1st, it's time.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know, I just thought it'd be cool to do something.
You just do what you want. I'm gonna just leave it up to you, and I'm not even gonna bother you, and I'll see it when it's done.
Okay.
So.
I mean, the car is cool, but they know it's an auto body place.
That's just, you know, again, it's like, I think it's like the train. They just get used to it.
Yeah.
We're not like set in stone.
Well, what I thought would be cool to do this time, something different, because you are set off from the road, and even though people slow down, they're going to see it somewhat. Like for people driving by fast, what's going to grab their attention? So I thought just like a big face of, you know, a snowman or a Santa, or just really big, like maybe with his hand stretched out over to here, and then do the lettering here.
Okay.
And then on the side, kind of the same idea. Instead of the Christmas tree, because I'll see it from here.
Right.
Instead of the Christmas tree, do the same thing, like, and then maybe even come down here too. I don't know if we did this before.
Yeah, we've never gone that far, but I'm open to whatever you want to do.
Like, this would be cool to do another big character.
Well, at least
like,
these two, because that one's sometimes blocked. But even if you want to do that one, I'm fine with that.
Well, a little bit on the edge,
yeah,
but so here you could do like another just
big,
ginormous face of a. Yeah, I mean it'd be different.
Okay.
And be cool, and it's gonna look Christmassy.
Yeah, that's what we want.
But yeah,
fun,
you could
Christmassy.
You could have maybe the snowman here going like that, or actually this would be good for an elf.
Okay,
tall,
like
with his
elves.
hand going.
Yeah.
You know, just like
cute.
this big flamboyant. You know, and next year we can go back to the car if you want, or we could try other things.
Whatever you want to do, we're happy with. So.
I just thought it'd be cool to do something more bold.
Okay.
And big.
I'm gonna leave it up to you because you do a great job. You really do.
All right. Well, thanks.
And it's so funny because Corbin, he hasn't been here for like 3 years, and he just came back and he goes, "Are you guys doing Christmas windows this year?" I'm like, "Yes, of course."
This guy's a cutie. Well, this elf isn't so bad either. All right, I got 2 coats of paint on all the spots that need 2 coats. I got Santa, got the little snowman, I got Santa's hand, and the signpost that's going to say Happy New Year, the elf holding the other flag, and Rudolph.
I must say I'm pretty happy with this design so far.
Okay, I got all the blue done, all the way around. All right. It was freezing. Yeah, I have a propane tank I use, so.
Yeah, this is nice because it's nice mild weather and it's not raining, knock on wood. Well, we got the awning too, but.
Yeah, this really helps. I just love hot soapy water. This looks like a cross between some kind of Tex Avery cartoon and Mickey Mouse. All right, I'm all finished. And Kim, the owner, she went inside to get me a check. She's very, very pleased with it, and I'm very happy with it. It's really different this year, bigger, bolder, brighter. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And share the video, share it with others, you know, on Facebook or whatever. I'm not on Facebook, but I know some of you are, so share it on Facebook. Instagram, whatever. I don't know. You can't share videos on Instagram, but anyway, and like it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you're just starting and you want to learn how to do this, grab my ebook. It's 12 bucks, and it's got all the super basic information in it. If you're a seasoned window painter already, I might not recommend it for you unless you just want to know some of my history because it has an interesting introduction. But other than that, for people that are just starting, it's the best way to go. So. Thanks again for hanging out, and I will see you next time. Bye.